I missed it. He just went down it all by himself. Let's witness this here.
Mom, put this. Mom, where do I put this?
Whoops. Wow. Whoops. Oh, I thought that was him falling. There he is. Pretty proud of yourself, aren't you?
Mom, what's that? Mommy,
I see.
what's that?
I see you, Lainey.
Mom, what's that?
Good job.
What's that?
Okay, Lainey, just a second. Go again. What's up, Lainey?
What's that?
Okay.
Yeah.
Drop. Say hi to your dad.
Hi, Dad.
Good job. Say love you.
I love you.
Miss you.
I miss you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
All right, here comes Cody one more time. Big sister to the rescue. Yeah?
You have the directions in your pocket?
Yep.
Can you then told you on my lap?
It's alright. You're getting it. You got it.
Here he comes.
Here he come.
Here he comes.
Maybe. Go, Lainey. Boink. That's one way to land. All right, bye-bye.